Hello guys, I wanted to do another unboxing and comparison. As always, I always ask, can anybody guess what the cars that I have out here?
Another Traxxas Maxx?
One of these you mean? Because there's
Maybe one of those, but a different color.
big, little.
Probably big since it's the most scruffed up one.
If you say so. I just got a new body for this. That's all. So which one, you going big?
Big.
Xmaxx, okay. So it's another Xmaxx. But you think it's a different Xmaxx, right?
Different color, yeah.
Different color. Well, Kat, I will tell you that I have different colors already. Now, unless I wanted to keep one stock, which nobody wants an Xmaxx stock, not really. I mean, they're still pretty cool, but why would I do an Xmaxx? I already have different bodies and can get different bodies, so there'd be no point. Any other guesses?
Can't say because I already know what it is.
Kat, you got any guesses?
No, I'm probably going to change my answer to the small one.
Andrew, what you got? Out of these two cars, what do you think that it's a newer car, obviously. I always do probably newer cars within the first couple of months. A lot of things I try.
Yeah.
So out of these cars, the newer cars that are coming out, what do you think it might be?
Probably one of them.
Which one? Which one is one of them?
Small, big.
The Maxx?
I'd say maybe in between that.
So you're saying it's a whole nother
I don't know.
Xmaxx or Maxx type of Traxxas, but
Yeah.
in between.
I don't know.
That'd be pretty cool if they did, though.
Yeah,
like a
probably
1/7 scale or something.
But obviously,
Even a 1/6 scale would be
it
pretty
would,
cool.
but-
That would be pretty cool. That I actually
No,
like
it'd
that
probably be.
idea.
I think it'd probably be more like that size.
The smaller one or the big one?
Small one.
Smaller one. Gotcha. All right, Robbie.
Let me see, I think it's gonna be a Traxxas Sledge.
Traxxas Sledge.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Good guess, by the way, because they recently just came out as well. I believe this car might have come out before it. I'm pretty sure of it. One thing I forgot to do was introduce everybody that we have today for the unboxing. I got my lovely wife, Teresa. Say hi, Teresa.
Hello, everybody.
All right. Daughter, Kat. Say hi, Kat. She's on the
Yeah.
camera. My buddy, Andrew. He's skulking in the background. And then we got the beast, Rob.
Hello.
So there he is. And then me, the man, Julio. Julio Bendedes. We got with you, it's a, can't guess. You, it's another one of these Maxx. And you saying another one of these Maxx is more like it anyways, if not in between. And then we got Rob the Beast saying
Church's Sledge.
the sledge. The sledge. Okay. Good guess. Good guesses, by the way. Good guesses. All the way around. It is the Can you see it?
Oh,
Traxxas Maxx. It's
Sledge.
another Maxx. Sledge.
No.
Sledgehammer tires.
Yeah, it has sledgehammer tires. So one thing I did here was I put Red Cat Kaiju tires on here, so they're Red Cat tires, but they're off the Kaiju truck. And otherwise, they came. This particular Maxx came with these type of tires, but more these size here. This is also a wide. Already comes wide, and it comes with sledgehammer tires. Whereas you can see, I put the Widemaxx kit on here. This does not come wide. This has a Widemaxx kit as well, but I didn't add that on there because I haven't seen the need to yet. But I may just do that. Now I also got some of these to go with this because I believe this is the blue one. I like the red one, so I'm going to end up buying another body. Like I have more bodies for this one as well. This one here, which I've been bashing for a while. This was the original color it came in. I got this overseas. I really like that one. See what the differences are, and I believe this one has a longer chassis as well. So extended chassis, has the Widemaxx kit already on it for more stability. Sledgehammer tires, which are the new tires it's going with. I also ended up getting some sledgehammer tires for these. I blew out one of the tires in the last run there. I glued them though, so they should be working fine. It's my own fault. I ran it in the snow without venting the tires. I thought I vented them, but I guess I did not. Here's those sledgehammer tires. Traxxas part 7774A. See it? The number right there. Beautiful. I went with the chrome design. They also come in a couple of different colors. So yeah, extended chassis. Now what I will say about that is what that tells me is I threw a 6S system in this. So this is 6S. I did buy the extra battery tray, I just haven't thrown it in yet. You know, this is the same 6S that's in the e-Revo. However, this thing is insane on 6S. It's a little hard to run. It's almost better to just run on 4S. It was a little bit lacking, I thought, on 4S. At 6S, it's pretty insane. It's still fun to drive now. Reason why I'm bringing this up is because the extended chassis is more likely to handle the 6S better. It has more weight. It's a longer chassis, and as Andrew said, it was a size up, and this kind of is. It's a longer chassis, which kind of makes it almost a size up. So it's almost an in-between. So if anybody got it right, it was probably Andrew the most. So let's take a look inside. That the color schemes on these newer Traxxas Maxx V2 are pretty killer. As I said, I got this one over there in England or the UK or something. It's about $100 and something. Alright, comes with the typical Traxxas Maxx, the TQI. Traxxas receiver, typical. Oh yeah, she looks good. She seems bigger.
She does look a smidge bigger, yeah.
Yeah, makes it more of a Maxx. Andrew, you're right. That really is in between both of them.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it is. I mean, if you think about the size of the crate, it's probably not as long as the crate,
Yeah.
but it's pretty close to it. Picture the same color scheme, red, Robbie. All right, look at that. She got a big Maxx 4S in there.
Yes.
And if you throw a 6S in this one with the smaller tires, because they look a bit smaller than Kaiju's, that's for sure. Yeah, with
Not
those
as
smaller
wide.
tires on 6S, I might just trade ESCs on this. That's probably what I'm going to do. I don't know, because I definitely want a little more power in this one. I might just keep that in there, get another ESC for this. I recall it's the same motor, the 2400, right? I imagine. I'd have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure it is the 2400. There's the inside of it. Comes with the Maxx fan, the 4S ESC that's in all their 4Ss, and this would be all the 6Ss. All love the new color scheme on these things. I know I do. I'm actually liking the length because I can already tell from driving so many RCs that with these lighter tires than these Kaiju ones, and maybe that's what needs to be done with this one on 6S, maybe switch the tires around or something. But I can already tell that is gonna. And as you can see, well, I'll show you in a minute.
It looks a little wider too, the body.
I don't think that it's wider. Definitely don't think that.
No, the shell looks
Nah,
a little
it's not.
wider. Maybe it's just the color.
It's a little longer.
Strange
Shell
thing.
is longer.
Strange thing is that when I was mentioning the colors earlier about it being a different color, I was actually gonna say blue.
Was you really?
It was.
So here's a remote. Oh, fell over. There we go. Bam.
Yes, that was.
Bam. Now the tire length is about almost the same, except as you can see if you look closely, these are just in a little bit. These are bigger tires though, but as you can see, it really is. It's not even leveled up, even with the front there. When you level it up, you can see the difference. Half an inch longer, at least with maybe a little less. Because if you put smaller tires on this, it wouldn't be half as bad. Say about right there. But these are big tires too, so like I said, so it looks good. Like I said, they have the blue on there for the blue body, which is awesome. I'm going to be using that, and then I'm going to be getting the red body because right now I can only get this at my hobby shop, which is Ray and Robin's Hobby Center here in Maine. up in Falmouth, right outside of Portland. And
They're totally awesome.
they're pretty cool. So I'll be getting the red body here soon, and that's why I had that part. I don't know where it went. There it is. These are called R because they're red, but all the part numbers are 8957. They're just the little things that go on the Maxx for either one. It has blue as well. I'm gonna have to get another one of these for throw on the red ones for these too. Either way, so let's take a look at the inside. And we could say, as you can see, there's a length difference. We got the ESCs, which are pretty much the same size. You see the difference in length here, it's barely any, whereas you got a bunch here. Imagine there's upgrades to it. This is one of the, or if not the most durable car out there. I imagine with the shorter wheelbase that makes this probably a little more durable, but who knows what they did to this. And I don't, so there's that. So yeah, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching, that's for sure. I enjoy showing this stuff. And probably going to be turning this into a success. We're going to see how it drives on a stock run. And then we'll see how she goes. So what do you guys think?
Well, she's totally beautiful. You know,
I do like the length. I'm sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but I do like the length of it.
I think the reason I said that it looked wider is because of the color spectrum, the way they got it. It makes it look flamboyant.
Maybe. It's just longer. Like I said, I can already tell by looking at it. As long as it's got enough power, it's going to be fun to drive. And this one here flips like crazy on success, and if this one doesn't have enough power, which success definitely will. So, and with its durability, putting a success in there really isn't too much of a big deal. So, there it is, guys. Traxxas Maxx V2 Widemaxx. All its glory. If you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe. Have a good night.